Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Virgo at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Ngayon, tignan natin kung ano yung mensahe na makukuha natin para sa Virgo na manggagaling sa person mo. Kung ano yung kanyang nasa damdamin para sa'yo. You feel like home. Yung bottom niya dito is, I'm single. Okay, so, I'm single right now. I'm not attached to anyone and not looking to get into a relationship at this point or at this time. Okay, so I think this is quite a important message, no? Kasi kung may doubt ka na yung person mo ay hindi na available but very much single siya, okay? Now, dito ang sinasabi niya, I feel or you feel like home. Being with you reminds me of simpler times. You bring me so much happiness and peace. Wow, ganda naman. Ang pakiramdam ni Virgo sa'yo o ang pakiramdam ng person mo sa'yo, Virgo, ay ikaw ay isang tahanan na napakasarap uwian sapagkat andun yung init ng pagmamahal, no? Yung warmth that you can feel in your house or in your home. 'Di ba? Ano yan eh, kung gaba yung home is where there is really love, attention, understanding, caring, but the house is just really the structure. 'Di ba? Ito yung bahay lang na wala nung sinabi ko. But sa'yo, Virgo, naramdaman niya to lahat. Yung pakiramdam ba na, alam mo, andun ka sa isang lugar na you feel safe, you feel loved, you feel you're appreciated, you are being understood, no? And you're being cared for. Napakasarap ng pakiramdam na yan kasi hindi natin pinipicture dito yung itsura ng bahay in itself, no? Malaki man to, maliit, isang mansion man to o isang napakasimpleng bahay lang, kahit na barong-barong ba. Ang importante dito ay yung nararamdaman mo every time na kasama mo si Virgo. Or Virgo, ito yung sinasabi niya na every time kasama kita, kahit saan man tayo nandoon, ito yung nararamdaman ko towards you. Oh, sweet. Okay. Tignan natin sa tarot. We have the 8 of Pentacles, the 8 of Swords, the Page of Wands, the 7 of Pentacles, and the 4 of Wands. Bottom niya is the Knight of Swords. Okay, Virgo. Knight of Swords is, ito yung energy natin na gusto nito aksyon, gusto nito mabilis na galaw. Kung gaba may patutunguhan yung kanyang pinaglalaban o kanyang yung gusto niyang gawin, no? Yung movement na gusto niyang ma-achieve towards you. And with the Five of Swords, ayaw kasi niya yung temporary lang na kung gaba yung feeling na panalo. Ayaw niya nung temporary lang, no? Gusto niya talagang, I guess, something na permanent na with you. And with the Eight of Wands is, yun yung gusto niya i-communicate. Gusto niya i-communicate with you. Na, hindi to, kung gaba, if you think this is just, parang napakababaw lang, or something na hindi dapat seryosohin, I think you're wrong. Kasi, ang gusto niyang iparating nga dito is, you are, for this person, gusto niyang maging matagumpay. Ayaw niya ng temporary lang. Kung ba, ayaw niya na pang sandali lamang. This person wanted all the way with you to be successful yung relationship with you. Kasi dito, sinasabi niya, yes, we are working, no? Working very hard sa ating mga kanya-kanyang career. I understand that. Work is very important to you, Virgo. Ganun din naman yung person mo is also working. Kasi yun yung practical side of life, no? We both need to establish ourselves financially, no? Para makasurvive. And definitely yung oras natin to do this is andoon, 'di ba? Yung talagang syempre yung attention ba, yung nahahati yung ating oras at pagmamahal sa ating trabaho at do sa ating person. I guess both of you are. Kasi dito, with the Eight of Wands, yung feeling ba na you are tied down, no? Daming, yung hindi ka makakilos kasi pakiwari mo nakatali ka o nakagapos ka na. Maybe because sa dami-dami ng ginagawa mo, parang wala ka ng, alam mo yung time. And yet your person feels na, oo, sige, naiintindihan ko naman na kailangan mo magtrabaho. But with the Page of Wands, yung message dito na, pero paminsan-minsan naman, let's have fun. No? Enjoy naman tayong dalawa. Let's forget about work and just focus on ourselves. Parang meron tayong me time. Kasi matagal na to no? Matagal na tayong ganito. Palagi na lang ganun. And I think it's about time that with the Four of Wands na magplano na tayo. Planuhin na natin yung future natin. Kung saan ba to patutungo. I mean, definitely is, I'm hoping na sana we get married. Kasi, sabi ko nga, matagal na to, no? With the Seven of Pentacles. Matagal na tayo nag-i-invest sa isa't isa. O matagal na tayo nag-iintay. O in person mo is Virgo is matagal na nag-iintay para, magkaroon ng kung gaba plano, yung anong plano natin. Magpapakasal na ba tayo? Kasi matagal na rin eh. Yung ginugol natin sa isa't isa. And the way I see things dito, Virgo, is initially, work. Siyempre, ba't ba tayo nagtatrabaho? For our future, di ba? Hindi naman tayo nagtatrabaho para ngayon lang. Nag-iisip tayo kung ano mangyayari sa future, which is this one. To settle down, to have a person with you, have a family, yung usual, standard thing. Maybe because your person wanted na, person feels at home with you. The fact na, yun nga, sabi ko sa'yo, single kasi siya eh. Diba? Single siya, kaya nag-iisip siya na ghihintay na ako. So, tignan natin, 8 of Pentacles, bakit andito? We have the Ace of Wands, the High Priestess, and the Page of Cups. You're working kasi you're very passionate about this work that you do. Yung person mo is also passionate of what they are doing. Naiintindihan niyo yun. I think both of you are very busy. And you're both very passionate of what you're doing. Kasi you both have this energy na you wanted to express yourself creatively. Yung, kung ano man yung ginagawa nyong trabaho, pumapasok pa rin dito yung pagiging creative nyo. Kasi itong Ace of Wands, you see that person having to do some painting, creativeness yan. And with the High Priestess, this is an energy coming from a Pisces. You are just really very observant, yung person mo, tahimik lang. Tahimik lang siya talaga. Nag-o-observe. Tinitignan ko anong magaganap. Kasi with the Page of Cups, tinitignan niya kasi yung offer na to o yung message of this, yung message ng pagmamahal. Tinitignan niya mabuti. Yung just observing. Letting you know exactly yung nararamdaman niya towards you. Tinitignan niya kasi kung how would you react, how would you, na-appreciate mo ba yung gesture niya, yung pagmamahal, o yung pagsasabi niya sa'yo. No-observe niya mabuti. Tahimik lang siya, but really looking into it. Bakit andito yung 8 of Swords? We have the Hangman, the Empress, and the 9 of Pentacles. Yung person mo feels na parang naka-tie down siya sa ginagawa niya, or you are being tied down sa ginagawa mo. Kasi alam naman natin ng mga Virgo, napakasipag. Kaya kung gaba parang andito lang siya sa stage na yung energy na nag-iintay. Just waiting. Waiting na magkaroon ng magandang outcome itong relationship na to. Something that will bring abundance, sa inyo. Yung abundance na yan is the 9 of Pentacles, is really making it good, no? Yung, kasi Nine of Pentacles is something to do with being single. Being single and having it all. Yung ba tipong ini-improve niya yung sarili niya maigi. Kasi nga nakikita niya na parang you're busy with work, kaya kung ba siya, nagko-concentrate din siya sa sarili niya to make sure that your person is really in a position to be abundant, no? Yung magkaroon ng sapat na pera rin, na ma-establish niya yung sarili niya as a single person. Maybe gusto niya na maging proud ka sa kanya. No? But andito yung Page of Wands. We have the Hermit, your energy. The Devil, Capricorn energy. And the Seven of Wands. Sinasabi niya dito, let's have fun naman, no? Yung message na to na mag-enjoy naman tayo. Kasi paragi na lang tayong nag-iisa, busy sa kanya-kanyang career. Madalas, alam mo yon, yung puro nakatungo na lang at pag-aaral ang iniisip, o nakatungo na lang at puro trabaho ang nasa isip. Paminsan-minsan, let's do something naman na maybe hindi naman totally harmful, but something naughty, mga ba? Tipong pang spice of life lang. Or it could be something to do with maybe nagiging obsession na yung sobrang pagtatrabaho. Nagiging kung tipong workaholic na. No? Yung devil energy na to. And nagiging defensive ka na tuloy. Because of that energy. Parang teka muna. Kasi, syempre, nakasalalay dito yung trabaho eh. Nawawala na yung fun. Nawawala na yung enjoyment. Nawawala na yung tipong, can we have a date? Para bang you're begging off na di ba tayo pwedeng lumabas man lang, mag-usap, have a cup of coffee or something, watch a movie, mga tipong ganon. Kasi ba't puro na lang ba tayong trabaho? Now, Seven of Pentacles. We have the Wheel of Fortune, Death, and Strength. Wow, they're all major arcana. Kasi nga matagal na to, no? Matagal na kayo nag-invest sa isa't isa. Things will change, no? Definitely, a change, nakikita na natin yung pagbabago. Wheel of Fortune and the Death. Pareho silang nagsasabi na may magiging pagbabago itong sitwasyon na ito. Dahil humihingin talaga siya ng pagbabago. At kailangan dito ng tapang ng loob para mabago o may mabago. No? Hindi lang yung nasa isip natin ang sabi natin na oo, gusto ko na mabago. It has to have some form of an action. Dapat merong karapat-dapat na paggalaw para mabago nga. Okay? Kasi kung sasabihin mo lang, niisip mo lang, hindi yan magbabago. Kailangan may action. Okay? Four of Wands. That was the Fool. The Seven of Swords. The Eight of Wands. Yung gusto ng person mo na maging kayo na sana, no? Finally, kung gaba, let's sit down and discuss yung plans natin sa future and to act on it, no? I mean, gumalaw tayo, magkaroon ng action talaga with the Fool na sige na, let's just do it, gawin na natin. Huwag na tayo magpatagal-tagal pa, huwag na tayo mag-procrastinate, i-delay pa to. Let's just do it. Gawin na natin yung pag-uusap na to, pagpaplano na to. With the Seven of Swords, of course, magsisinungaling siya o in denial yung person mo kung sasabihin mo na hindi niya talaga gustong mangyari to ng mabilisan. You know, pag sinabi niya, hindi, sige, tsaka na lang. Hindi totoo yun. Nagsisinungaling siya. Deep inside, gusto ng person mo talaga na ayusin na natin to. Let's plan our future together. Let's get married. No? Parang magsama na tayo. Yung mga tipong ganun. O maghanap na tayo ng apartment at gusto tayo titira pareho. Yung ganun. Para magkaroon siya ng feeling of security. Kasi nakikita ko sa tao na to na parang sa ngayon nai-insecure pa rin siya. Kahit matagal na kayo. Kasi nga yung focus mo is more of yung self-development mo, your work. Which is quite understandable, no? Kasi kung gaba parang wala siya nakikita sa'yo na interest ba para sa future. Ang tanong nga siguro niya is, kasama ba ako dun? Yun yung gusto niya kasing pag-usapan niyo eh. With the Eight of Wands. Gusto niyo pag-usapan niyo yun. Para makampante siya. You know, your person wanted to feel at home with you. Wala namang masama dun eh. Lalo na kung sure ka naman na siya na talaga. Not unless hindi ka nga sure, then, you know, that would be a problem. Pero yung person mo, talagang sure siya na ikaw yung gusto niya. Kasi nga, yung nararamdaman niya towards you is like home. Masaya naman siya sa iyo eh. Yung nga lang, yung pakiwari ba niya na you spend more time working. Wala kayong masyadong yung partner, you enjoy yourselves. Naghahanap siguro siya ng date or something na, you know, magkakaroon kayo ng time to be intimate with each other. It could be having long talks, intimate talks, no? Yun yung, I think, yung hinahanap niya eh. No? Intimate talks. Pag-uusap. Not just the intimacy part, no? But yung pag-uusap. Having that conversation, that face-to-face, that heart-to-heart conversation with you, Virgo. Kasi alam niya na doon lang niya makukuha yung sa loobin mo talaga eh. Ano bang nasa isip mo? Anong pinaplano mo? Kaya nga, di ba sabi ko sa iyo, Virgo, ang tanong niya dyan is, kasama ba ako doon sa plano mo? That is the big question and wanted to find out. Tanong natin, kasama ba itong person ni Virgo sa plano ni Virgo para sa future? Yes. Yung nga lang sa ngayon, parang, kasi this is the 9 of Pentacles. Nakafocus lang talaga ikaw of creating yourself, no? Materially, na maging very wealthy. O sa ngayon, you're enjoying your independence, Virgo. Iba kasi yung, di ba, yung on your own, kahit na sabihin natin you're in a relationship, but still, you could have that certain independence with you, di ba? And kung ka-partner pa nun yung may pera ka, the more, di ba, you feel in power, di ba? Your person just wanted to know na ano bang mangyayari after this. May plano ba si Virgo para dito sa person niya? Yes. Meron naman siya kasi naiisip niya na, this person is really the one for Virgo kasi enjoy siya, no? Gusto niya yung ugali, yung personality, yung itsura, yung creativity, lahat, no? You could actually, Virgo could actually see yung compatibility nyo, no? Dalawa. You seem to be fine. Busy lang siguro siya. Nafe-feel niya na hindi pa to oras para gawin lahat yun. Kasi I think your person, Virgo, I think you're still enjoying being by yourself. And your person doesn't understand that. Yan natin. Kailan yung time na pag-uusapan na nila to? It says your time is still hindi pa alam. Medyo hindi pa decided si Virgo kung kailan niya gagawin ito. Okay? Ito sa ating cross-watcher, hindi pa niya alam. So, it's either you need to be more patient with Virgo. Baka isang araw na lang niya gagawin na nagulat ka. Okay, so tingnan natin anong message. We have first quarter moon in Capricorn, unleash your kindest self. Last quarter moon in Virgo, attend to details. Kailangan daw, tignan mo yung detalye. New moon in Cancer, relax ka lang. Okay? Huwag kang masyadong kabahan. I think Virgo would be getting into that part na, kasi nga, sinasabi dito, attend to details, which is magaling si Virgo doon. Parang sinasabi ng universe to him or to Virgo na anihin mo na. Bigyan mo na ng detalye itong pinaplano mo. Kasi your person is really getting, alam mo na, medyo nag-iisip-isip. Huwag mong bigyan ng pagkakataon na magkaroon siya ng energy of doubt. Diba? Kasi pakiramdam naman niya, you're the person na talagang to be with for the rest of his or her life. Huwag mo lang patagalin. Kasi you have the tendency, Virgo, to really procrastinate, delay things. You want things to happen in your own time. Kung kailan ka komportable. Sometimes, people don't understand that. Kasi nga, hindi nakakapag-intay yung tao. Which is human nature. Diba? Not everybody would have that high level of patience with them. Diba? Lalo na kung unknown. Time is still unknown. Hindi pa alam. So, nakadepende talaga sa'yo, diba? You want to control things. Kinokontrol mo to, maigi. Kawawa naman yung tao. Nag-iintay. Diba? Ikaw kaya ganun. Maghintay. Mahirap maghintay, ah. I think you know what I mean, Virgo. Okay? So, kung sino man tong Virgo na to, na nakuha natin yung energy ngayon sa pagbasa na to, maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na to, at sa susunod po muli. Ingat ka and God bless.